Hello world! Just after the Mother's Day, I want to celebrate all mothers, moms-to-be, and especially the want-to-be mothers, talking about some adjuvant supplements for managing female infertility. Late motherhood is due to several socioeconomic factors influencing women's choices, which can dramatically impact on healthy pregnancy physiology. So, together with hormonal typical treatments, gynecologists suggest nutritional supplements carrying strong antioxidants as polyphenols or carotenoids, folic acids, and other vitamins, mineral salts such as zinc and iodine, but especially inositol. More recently, the medical community has started to look at the microbiome approach, as infertility sometimes is linked to asymptomatic bacterial vaginosis, a typical vaginal dysbiosis characterized by disruption of lactic acid bacteria. For this reason, ROELMI HPC has created SynBalance Femme, a worldwide patent-pending probiotic association based on our property strains of L. plantarum, L. rhamnosus, and Bifidobacterium lactis. With 3 billion per day during 14 days of treatment, SynBalance Femme was proved to colonize and persist in the vagina, to improve markers of bacterial vaginosis like pH, leukorrhea, presence of clue cells, and whiff test, but especially to restore Lactobacillus-dominated microbiota with respect to the negative control taking antibiotics. As already said, remember that probiotics are not all the same. Strain specificity is the keyword. Surf our SynBalance dedicated website for more information. Bye-bye.